going, guys? Welcome back to Gogo's Kitchen. So today we're making one of my favorite sides. We're making sweet and spicy Brussels sprouts. And I don't know about you guys, but all my life I hated vegetables. Like, they were the most disgusting thing to me. But now I'm an adult, you know, I'm trying to be a little bit more healthy, and I decided to try Brussels sprouts. The way that I like to experiment with my cooking, I decided to try this recipe. Super random. I had no idea if it was going to turn out good or not, but I really wanted to try it, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it today. Alright, so today we're going to be cooking with coconut oil, and I always get organic coconut oil, and if you look right here it says it's okay for high heat, but I still don't like to put it on the pan at first. And then we're just going to use some honey and this chili garlic sauce. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is always wash your vegetables. Get it in there really good. Make sure that all of these are cleaned up. Now we're going to take it over to the cutting board to get them all chopped up. Alright, so I already have the pan heated up on medium heat. So we're going to go over here and get the Brussels sprouts cut up and ready to get put in the pan. Alright, so what I do is I cut like the little booty end of the Brussels sprout out, and then I just cut them in half, simply just like that. And then we'll just toss them right into the pan like that. Now we got them all in the pan, and I'm just going to toss them around. And as I mentioned before in my last video, you can put veggies on this non-stick pan. You don't need to use that much oil, because actually the oil is really only used to help cook it, but it's also helped to not let it stick to the pan. But I'm going to put a little bit of coconut oil. Not only does it add flavor, but it helps to get that good golden brown. You can hear that sizzling. So before we get to the honey and the chili sauce, I'm going to let that get a little bit brown. A little trick with Brussels sprouts, actually, if you put them on their one side, you want to get them golden brown down here on this side right here where all the leaves are. So I'm just going to flip them over like that to get that good golden brown on those other sides like that. And then we'll just leave them, let them cook for a minute.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so I've given it a few minutes, and now you can tell that it's getting this golden brown texture on the bottom half right there, and it's looking really good. So it's about time to add the honey and the chili. Alright, so I know you guys have heard this plenty of times, but for my recipes I really don't like to measure stuff, so I'm just going to add as much honey as I want on there. Get a good glaze going on the Brussels sprouts. Alright, so we got the honey and it's like simmering up on the bottom, so now we're going to put some of this chili garlic sauce. You can literally get this at any store, and we like it a little bit spicy, so we're going to put about 2 tablespoons, kind of. Put that in there, and then we're going to toss them up. Now you can see that golden brown texture coming out a lot now. And it's going to soak up this honey, give it a nice glaze, and then it's also going to soak up this chili and get that flavor throughout the Brussels sprout. And I promise you guys, if you don't like vegetables, you have to try this recipe. It doesn't even taste like a Brussels sprout. It's so good. Alright, so a good kitchen hack for you guys. If you really want to seal that flavor in, stick a lid on there, let that steam go through all the Brussels sprouts, and it's going to soak up all that flavor.
Later.
Alright guys, it's looking really good. I wish you guys could smell this, but you will when you cook it your own. It's pretty much done now. You can see they're all golden brown all around, and they're nice and soft looking. Now we're going to get it plated. Alright guys, this is the finished product right here. You can also pour a little bit more sauce on it if you like, but see how beautiful that looks.
Mmm. Gogo, good.
Here it is, guys. This is the end result. And like I said earlier, if you don't like vegetables, you still gotta try this one. I promise you, I like literally guarantee you that this is so, so good. You can pair it up with anything. Some chicken, you can pair it up with some rice, or just eat it by itself. Thank you so much for watching all my videos so far. And if you guys haven't already, please click that subscribe button and please give this video a huge thumbs up. And thanks again for coming into Gogo's Kitchen.